My name is Steve. I own Golden Triangle Art Studio in Upland, California, and I'm a tattoo artist. So I started tattooing by just going to a shop when I was younger and watching some of my friends get tattooed. From there, I just did as much research as I could on how I could learn how to tattoo. Bought a little cheap tattoo kit for like $100. Since then, I just never put it down and just been working since, 7 days a week for the past 10 years. While I was in my apprenticeship, the shop I was at had a lot of internal issues where people were getting fired, people were quitting, and so it was just a bad environment, and I ended up getting fired as well. And so I was kind of thrown out to figure out what I'm going to do next, and that's how I ended up opening up Golden Triangle. So it ended up being a blessing, in disguise. From the ground up, we just figured it out. No blueprint, no plan, just day by day trying to figure out and make it work so we don't die. If I was able to do everything from the ground up, with very little help and lack of resources, anybody can do it. I'm not special, I'm not smarter, I'm not any different. You have to think it before you create it. So it's I have to think I'm successful before I physically am successful. If I can't think it or imagine it, how am I gonna bring it to life? What you put out is what you're gonna get back in return. If I'm putting out negativity, I'm gonna get that in return. So it's the more I'm able to help people, the more people are gonna help me, and we're just gonna grow together. Being ruthless, to me, is never giving up. Being your hardest critic and knowing that there's light at the end of the tunnel, and not listening to anything, not letting anything stop you, and just focusing on yourself and being the best version of yourself. That's ruthless.